Hello guys, I'm pretty sure that you must have installed Fayda application, and not just that, you must have referred and earned too. While doing so, you might have come across various questions. Well, you need not worry about that because all you need to know is right in front of you. Just click on the Fayda application, then click on the sidebar. Now click on the FAQs option available, and on this screen you'll be able to see multiple questions as well as some common topics like what's new, getting started, and you can see all your queries here. And if you are not able to find your answer, you can even contact us. I hope this video helped you with your questions. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, as we are rejoiced to have you in our Fayda community.